Hey, it's Jose from SavvyRealEstateInvestor.com. Whenever I go to social events, social gatherings, people always ask me about the state of the real estate market. So I decided to dedicate this video to answering 3 of the most common fears of newbie investors. The market is going to crash or is going to slow down. What's going to happen next? I think this is something that I hear all the time. Lots of speculation and prediction going on out there, and everybody seems to have an opinion. If you look at supply and demand, I highly doubt the market will really slow down. But we buy properties in good areas where we can charge rent that covers our expenses. We don't really speculate about what will happen next. The formula is buying good properties in good areas that will attract good quality tenants. Number 2, owning a property is going to mean I'll be fixing toilets and getting midnight calls. I like to compare to owning a piece of property as owning a business in a box. Real estate is not a passive investment. You will get your hands dirty sometimes. Real estate does require more hands-on approach, especially at the beginning. But working with the right team of professionals and good reliable property management can eventually allow you to take more hands-free approach. Question number 3, I will pay a ton of taxes and capital gains when I sell my property. I have people who purchase a property in the hopes that they will sell and make a quick buck when the market goes up. These are the condo flippers. Is it possible in some cases? Yes. Let's not forget capital gains. This is good news. It means that you're making a profit. And at the end of the day, we all have to pay taxes. How do you avoid them? It's simple. Don't sell your real estate. Buy property for the long haul. The longer you hold it, the more powerful it gets. With time, your tenants pay down your mortgage, and even if you don't have a lot of cash flow, you show me any other investment vehicle quite like it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this.